Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering the eye, pad off, and gathering tools. A suction cup, thin picks, Phillips #00, and a pentalobe if needed. Heat the top edge with an eye opener or hairdryer for 60–90 seconds to soften adhesive. This prevents cracking when you lift the glass. Once heated, place the suction cup near the home button area, pull gently to create a gap, and insert a plastic pick. Make small, steady passes to separate the adhesive rather than forcing the screen. Once you have an opening, hinge the display up from the bottom edge like a book and prop it. Do not lift past 90 degrees because ribbon cables sit on the right side. Remove the metal bracket over the display connector using the Phillips #00, then carefully pry up the display and digitizer connectors with a plastic spudger. Disconnect the battery first to prevent shorting, then disconnect the display/digitizer cables. Make a note of screw locations, as they can be different lengths and easily lost. With all cables disconnected, lift the screen away and set it aside on an anti-static surface. If you're replacing the screen, transfer the home button and front camera assembly to the new panel. These parts are fragile, so use minimal force. Clean remaining adhesive gently with 90% isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth, then pre-fit the new screen and reconnect the display, digitizer, and battery in reverse order. If touch or display issues appear, make sure connectors are fully seated and the battery is reconnected before testing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.